So guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch this emblem in the front here. If you remember, I did all the emblems in the back. I bought the gloss black OEM emblems from Honda, but I've been waiting to do the front. So here's the emblem that I've been saving. The factory one. They are expensive, but I think it's definitely worth it. It's amazing quality. Something that you couldn't get with just plasti dipping. But I want to show you this here. Now, they give you the washers here. Or actually, they're the retaining clips actually for the back, but I didn't use them for the back, and I'm not going to use them for the front. I'm going to show you the easy way to do this. The easiest way is just to snap the tabs off in the back. If not, you'd have to remove this center, not this piece, but there's a black piece when you open the hood, and go in from under, behind the grill to try to remove these little clips. And for what it's worth, it's not even worth doing that. They're just plastic little pins. They're really guide pins. They don't really hold anything on, but this is all you're going to need. You just go behind here and put a little bit of pressure where the posts are, and there's 2 posts on it, and then you pop them. I can take this off without snapping the emblem too, so if you want to reuse it, you can. You just have to be careful. So let me show you how to do that really quick. You're going to have to go in, and you know the posts are right there, so that's where you want to focus your trim tool. And I had to get a little thinner trim tool. That was too thick, so I got this little thin one here. Will work better. So once you get it in right here, and there's the post, as you know, don't worry about the rest of it. Just wedge it. And see how I'm wedging it between the emblem, so you're not against your grill too. So you just wedge it and keep pushing it forward and wiggling it off a little bit, and that pin will snap off. So that's all I'm doing right now. A little bit of pressure, nothing much. Like I said, you go back and then you just push it in more. You see that? Now you push, and then the pin's going to snap off, and you're going to feel it. So keep going at it. Okay, right there it popped. And you can see right there. Okay? You're just going to do the same thing to the other side. Like I said, it's an easy way to do it. 5 minutes. Same thing on here. And like I said, you're just focused on those 2 posts. The rest of it will come right off. So keep wedging this thing in there, and then it'll just pop off, okay? And that's what you're left with. And you see where I snapped the little pins off. If you want to reuse this, put some double-sided tape just like the black one, and you're good to go. Like I said, there's no reason to take your grill apart to pop this out. Then all you basically do is clean this up really well, peel the tape off, and put your new one on. Very basic. So you see there's no cracks in this. You can do whatever you want with it. Put the black one on. If you ever sell your car, whatever you want to do, swap them back. It's nice. Nice not to damage the original equipment too. I've learned that. So very basic. And you guys remember I said I'm going to do the OEM accessory grill, which I'm still going to do. I just wanted to get rid of this laying around and put it on this grill for now. And then when I get the accessory grill, I'll just swap it. I'll just take that emblem off and put new double-sided tape and stick it to the new one. So it's not that hard. But for the time being, I want to block it out. So I went in and cleaned this up so it'll stick really well. And those guide pins, they'll slide right in so it lines it up perfectly. So you're just going to pull the tape and push it on. It's as easy as it gets. And it looks really good. Like I said, I've never liked the chrome. So I've been wanting to do this. And that's why I said I'm just going to stick it on this one, and then I can transfer it over. So check that out. Very easy thing to do. You know. And if you didn't want to buy the Honda ones, you can still remove your factory chrome one, take it off, spray paint it would be the better thing to do. Any color you want, put some clear coat on it, put some double-sided tape and put it back on there. Probably give you the same look for a lot cheaper. Instead of trying to do it on the car and mask it, that's a mess. Just take the thing off and don't worry about disassembling the grill. I think it looks really mean, all blocked out like that. And like I said, that 3M tape will hold it plenty. You'll never have an issue having to put those little retaining clips back on the back side of it. So it definitely gives it a more aggressive look. And check that out, it's all blacked out now. Has a nice gloss black H, factory painted. Highly recommend doing that, guys. I know it's expensive, but definitely high quality, and definitely gives it a meaner look on the front end. And easy to do yourself. So hope that helps you out, gives you some tips, give you an idea for your build. Appreciate it. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. As always, I appreciate all you guys' comments. I do. I look forward to them. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.